We're at the Black Dragon site, and we're looking down the parking lot. That's the entrance. Comes down to here, and pay attention to this rock right below me. Okay, the trail goes from this viewpoint to the right, drops down the crevice, and zigzags left to there and up. Most people get lured going up that way, which is very difficult. Okay, let's look at these two images first. Highly eroded and very close to the cliff edge, so I'm not sure how this will turn out. But notice the white lines across the images. Let me see if I can get a little higher here. There we are. And way to the left is a strange creature. But the white images I don't think were original. If you go to Canyonlands Needles, to the All-American Man, which is a fabulous pictograph, you'll see the same white lines. The theory is that photographers many years ago came here and drew white lines around them so they can create a better image, I guess. Okay, so here you go. Okay, to the left, underneath her right hand, is another critter. I'm going to say that's an ant, because ants in some places are highly revered. Especially if you go to Canyonlands Maze District and see the magnificent Harvest Scene Gallery. There are ants and hummingbirds everywhere. Okay. Now you can see that there's an image in the center here that's missing. And it's very, very faint. Let's go visit the dragon. See if he's awake yet. Let me slide down this steep slope here. And here we are. Again, it's steep. And this is the dragon. Starting from the left, you can see the wing span going left and right and continues, and his feet and his tail, and of course the head with the beak open, and our white lines across it. So it's forget the name of this guy, I'll write it down in video, but it happened a long, long time ago. I think this area was discovered in 28, but I'll make notes in the video. Okay, now, what does that dragon really look like? In the area of digital photography, now a picture consists of millions of little bits that advanced software like D-Stretch can penetrate the colors, which they did. And this is what he looks like once you penetrate the colors. So there goes the dragon, in comes the sheep, and the one to the right is a guess, but it has legs here. So it's kind of sad to see a rich fable story be destroyed. Okay, let's go down and look at one more image. And then we'll turn this off and go visit the petroglyph site. And again, the detested white lines. And we have our traditional bullet holes here. Probably cowboys from the early 1900s. Okay, I'm going to shut this off. And what we're going to do is take the trail to the left. There's an alcove, and there's a magnificent pictographs there. See you there. Okay, we're at the alcove now. And it's amazing when you look at this totally, and the height. Now either they use ladders or there's been considerable erosion in the last few centuries. And that can be somewhat confirmed by the Spanish writing up there. I don't know if you can see it from here, but VIDA, which is Spanish for life or live. And then he has a name after, G-U-N something. Okay. This is by the way, this is the book we again are using. It has detailed mileposts and GPSs where to go. Anyway, back to the petroglyphs. Pictographs makes that. There are no, we never did find any petroglyphs here. Okay, we'll start out with lines and geometric patterns. Euclidean geometry was invented about 4,000 years ago, but I doubt they used it. Now that's the ceiling up there. I guess it's their version of the Sistine Chapel in Rome. Okay, coming down, you can just see, I'll just scan this. Lines are everywhere. They dominate this entire panel, with few exceptions. Now, let's go up there. You can see the hands. Every hand has a hole in it. And notice the colors. The reds and blacks are dominant. And the rows up there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by whatever. Why? Okay, the one I like, or is most mystic, is this circle. Now maybe when I get home and amplify my photograph, that might be a maze. But notice to the right, it's a classical concentric circles. And up above it, that also looks like a concentric circle. And one could assume that's the image of a sun. But that one there is segmented. I have to study it more at home. Okay, this one is fascinating because one could say it's a bear paw, which is the symbol of one of the clans of the Hopi Nation, but it's got too many. So I'm assuming it's trying to replicate a basket. Up there is another interesting figure with the arrow pointing down at it. In fact, there's 1, 2, 3, many arrows pointing down. Or you could say chickens walking up. I don't think they had chickens. They may have had turkeys. Highly complex panel. Dominant reds and whites. Over there, you can see the reds and whites as well. But there's that vertical oval, and next to it is a vertical, looks like a tall pine tree with the leaves off it, or the needles off it. And an upside down U, and way at the top. This is interesting. 2 blacks, 2 reds, 2 blacks, 2 reds. And again, endless dots. As there are here, lines here, and these are rather strange characters. Okay, the price panel is over here. This clearly has to be symbolic. On the top you can see the red black with the red on top of the black, but below it, red on both the top and bottom. Many lines, many lines, single circle, and a vertical staff. So when I get home, start amplifying the pictures and get some answers. Okay, let's look at the entry again. By the way, I'm here about 9:30 in the morning. You really don't want sun shining on these guys.